Welcome back, you guys. This is Octavia Beauty and I am Octavia. On this channel we do makeup, we're doing skincare, we are doing daily cleaning things. I'm doing all types of different hauls. I'm trying to incorporate nursing and all types of things. But today, on today's video, I am going to try to take it back to the makeup. So I'm going to show you guys just a little bit of the makeup. This is mostly all of the makeup. I don't know if it's all of it or not, to be honest, because I don't know. I can't keep up with it. But this is the makeup that I think was still in the boxes when I got home that I had ordered while I was on the road working as a travel nurse. And so this is going to be a little bit of a haul, a collective haul from Sephora, Ulta. I got a few things from Too Faced. When Too Faced had a sale, I do have another package coming in from Sephora sometime soon, so you guys are going to be seeing that. But we're going to go take it back to the makeup. And yeah, I'm just going to show you guys what I've hauled over my collective. It's not a lot, but it looks like a lot. So, but before we get all into that, I want you guys to look down, hit your subscribe button, give your girl a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that good old notification bell so you never miss an upload. Yeah, so now let's get into it.
I remember the day when we started talking. We were kids and I knocked down all of your mobiles, but you did not.
Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna try to start with the oldest makeup that I ordered. I don't know if you guys, I can't remember if I showed some of this stuff or not, so let's just jump into it. So the first thing I have is the ABH Norvina collection. I ordered this palette. Is the Pro Pigment palette volume 3. I ordered this palette probably a while ago, probably even before I went to Miami, I think. And it was on sale at Sephora, of course. So this is the one that I wanted when it first came out, but I didn't get it when it first came out. It was Sephora had a sale and I purchased it then. So let's look at it. It's gorgeous. I know you guys have seen so many videos on this palette. It's a ton of videos out there, but we may do a tutorial on this, we may not. But I love the browns, and it's got a good mixture of browns and colors and a good mixture of the neon colors. This is a perfect palette for summer and spring. You can use it for fall too. So the next item that we have that I purchased is it's a Fenty Stunner lip paint in Underdog. I don't think you guys seen this. It's a new color, I think, from Fenty, and it's Underdog. And I thought this color would be perfect, especially around the fall time. You can use it anytime, but I thought it would be perfect, especially around the fall time. It's a deep burgundy type shade. Look at it. That is beautiful. And I love Fenty Stunner's lip paint formula. It's a matte formula. It's very liquidy, dries down, very lightweight. That's a beautiful color. Next thing I have, these I think I know are newer purchases that you guys haven't seen me purchase. So I've been wanting to pick up, this is more of a skincare product, the Tatcha Silk Peony Melting Eye Cream. But I had been like not purchasing it because I didn't want to pay full price for it. And I was like, well, Tatcha need to go ahead and put it in one of their little kits for the holidays. Well, they never did. And so I purchased it this year right before the holiday kits came out. And guess what? They put it in a kit this year. But anyways, I already have it. And Tatcha is a luxury brand. I haven't used it yet. It smells good, but we are going to use this. I hear so many great things about this product. Look at the little flower in the top of it. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. It's almost like marble. A little bit should go a long way, so this should last a very, very long time. I think I got this doing the sale. Was it get $100, $20 off or something? So I think that's when I picked up that and the Fenty lip paint. And I must have picked up something else too. I don't remember. So I'm gonna go into some items that I picked up from Ulta. Ulta had a 21 days of beauty sale. I I think it's still going on now. But okay, so you guys know I love the Cover FX blushes. I have 2 of them. I have the Soft Peach and the Pink Dahlia. And so the monochromatic blushes. This is the Soft Peach. This is the Peach Dahlia. And so I went ahead and picked up every last one of the other colors. I know I don't need these, you guys, but I picked up every single color. So we have the Spice Cinnamon. If you guys want to see me swatch these, I could do a dedicated video to just to these, to swatching them. We have Warm Honey. Look at that beautiful, beautiful color. We have Sweet Mulberry. We have Mauve. Is it I don't know, something Mauve. Mauve, something Mauve. But they are absolutely beautiful. And I'm so excited that I was able to get each and every one of them 50% off. So the next thing we have is this. I got the Urban Decay All Nighter, and I really don't need another powder. It's a mattifying long wear powder, but Yvette Loves Beauty rave about this, and I absolutely love Yvette Loves Beauty. And so I wanted to give it a try. She said this powder just like locks in your makeup for dear God. And it is a very light color, so I don't know if it's gonna work for deeper skin tones. But Yvette and I are almost similar skin tones, very close in skin tones. I think during the seasons, you know, it may change, but so she uses it. Andrea Renee, I think, actually uses this too. So it may work. It may be a translucent. I have to see if it's really truly translucent. But yeah, I'm excited to try this. And I have some more products over here. So another product that I picked up from Ulta is Makeup Revolution London palette. Look at this. I love, when I first saw this packaging, they didn't release it in Ulta. They only released it on their website. And I thought, God, that is so stunning. I needed this palette. This packaging is gorgeous, right? And then so when you open it up and you see these beautiful colors, like, aren't they gorgeous? Look at this. So I'm gonna swatch a couple of these. I'm gonna swatch this Chant, which is this orange color. But yeah, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial. I think I'm gonna do a makeup. That's the shade Chant. I'm gonna also swatch a shimmer. It looks kind of like a shimmer. It's Lotus. Look at it. So pigmented. Let's swatch Tranquility. So yeah, I can't wait to do a makeup tutorial with this palette. It looks absolutely beautiful. It's drugstore brand. It's very inexpensive, and it's a stunning palette. Okay, some of the other things that I purchased was from Too Faced. Too Faced had an amazing sale. So I picked up the Too Faced Peach lip scrub, and I've always been wanting to try the lip scrub and the lip balm. I picked up them both, and it comes in this very cute little packaging here. It smells good. It doesn't smell too peachy though. I thought it would smell more peachy. Both of these products have been out a while with Too Faced, but I'm surprised they were on sale. But I've been wanting to try them, but hey, thanks Too Faced for putting them on sale so I could try them. This is the lip balm. And it just doesn't smell that peachy as I thought it would. It's just not an overpowering peach smell, which may be a good thing. And then they also had their translucent powders on sale. So I picked up 2 of those. They're both the peach, the new peach formula that's mattifying. So I picked up the Peach Perfect. They're supposed to be infused with peach and sweet fig milk. So I picked up a small one of the translucent, the peach one, because I have so many translucent powders. I didn't need a full size of it. But the caramelized peach one, I picked up a bigger size than it because I don't have anything, I don't think this color. I have a colored powder. I have the Fenty honey one, but it isn't this one. I don't really like that Fenty one, so I'm hoping that I like this better. So I picked up a bigger size of it. Like I said, they were all on sale. I don't remember how much I paid for this. I think it could have been half price or less. It had to be half price or less for me to purchase all of this stuff. So Too Faced had a good sale a little while ago. If you guys missed it, I'm sorry. I'm sure they'll have another holiday sale. Some more things I picked up from Sephora. I did pick up the Kat Von D small size of Saints. I think I ordered Center also, but it isn't here. I think it's in that package that's coming. And so I've never had one of Kat Von D perfumes. Her packaging is fun, beautiful. It's not Kat Von D anymore, huh? It's KVD Beauty. Her packaging is very stunning. Like, I like it. Oh man, this smells really good. Oh, I like it. Oh, this is nice to have in your purse. This is a nice scent. Oh, I'm not a perfume person, so I can't tell you what scent it is. But it's very, very nice. And then I also got the Jo Malone, the new Jo Malone Fig and Lotus Flower cologne, a small size of it, for free with my purchase of, I think, $35 or something. And it smells, I'm going to be smelling like everything. It definitely smells like a Jo Malone. It smells good. It smells like, I don't know, I wish I could tell y'all what it smells like, but I really like it. It's definitely is a good, I think this is a good fall scent. Okay, so the last product that I have, I did pick up the new Hourglass Ambient. You guys know I bought the Hourglass from last year, the bigger size of it. I'm going to start using it because I don't think I've started using it. But this is the new one from this year. The 2021 Hourglass usually comes out with one every year. I do think the one from last year is very, very different. Let me compare it. If you guys want